The UN peacekeeping chief on Tuesday expressed appreciation for China's contributions to UN peacekeeping operations, emphasizing China's vital role in these efforts.
China is one of the most important contributors to peacekeeping, not only in terms of its contribution with troops and uniformed personnel generally, but it is also an important supporter to the various initiatives that we took to improve the impact and effectiveness of peacekeeping. And of course, it's a permanent member of the Security Council and the second largest financial contributor. So we very much value the contribution of China to peacekeeping. We have taken a number of initiatives to improve the safety and security of our peacekeeper, or to update or improve our ability to use digital technology, and also our ability to fight misinformation and disinformation. I believe that all these initiatives cannot be carried out without the full partnership of member states. And this is where I believe the partnership with the countries like China will be tremendously important, because we need the support of China politically to these initiatives. And I would just highlight, for example, the leading role that China has taken on the topic of the safety and security of the peacekeepers.
The 2023 UN Peacekeeping Ministerial Meeting is set to take place in Accra, Ghana, on December 5th to 6th. Lakshui said he looks forward to having conversation with China at the meeting.
And as I indicated, China is very important to us. It has always supported the initiatives that are taken to improve peacekeeping. We certainly look forward to hearing from China in terms of the capacity, the contribution that it can further provide to peacekeeping in many areas. So we definitely look forward to have that conversation with China at the Accra meeting.